how to log in to your Epic Games account. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar search for epicgames.com. Now, in the interface that you will be led to, tap on the sign in option on the top right of your screen. You will then be able to see various ways on you can sign in. If you have played on your console, then you can sign in using your PlayStation Network login credentials, or Xbox Network login credentials, or Nintendo account login credentials. Or you can also sign in using your Google account, or your Steam account, or with your Apple ID, or with your Facebook account or Lego account or Autodex account. If not, then you can also sign in with your email. So enter your email in the email text box and tap on continue, and you will be prompted to enter your password. So enter your password, and with this you will be logged in. And just in case if you do not have the account, then you can also tap on the create an account option you see there and create an account by following the prompts shown on the screen. So this is how you can log in to your Epic Games account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.